It started without me again. Oh well. Hello. Welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How you doing? Welcome to For the Moon of Cancer. So what's up? Let's see what's in the energy for your Cancer. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Mercury, wherever your significant placement is located. My ear suddenly itching really bad. Ow. Let's see what's going on. So, I haven't said yet. Thank you to all returning subscribers. Thank you for your love and devotion. For those who are new, please have a seat around the table. Let me know that you're here. And I want to say hi back to y'all. And I hope you enjoyed the energy of the reading. So your affirmation for today. Today is only for Friday. Wow, where's this month gone? Cancer season is almost over, and we're almost here for the full moon. And if you didn't catch it, over on Passion Water Tarot, I've done all the full moon readings by element. So let's see what we got. Today, I will express myself. Today I will express my feelings openly and honestly by writing them down and reading them aloud. To me, to you, to someone else, that's what you're needing. That you're going to open up. It's a new beginning. It's a new start. I started to say it's a brand new day. But I believe this cycle has already started for you. I don't believe, realize it yet. So let's get into the tarot for you. My beautiful, my amazing Cancerians, the card game. We will literally hint it off if it doesn't suit our highest good, right? So we start off with the Seven of Swords. Whew, that's a heavy energy. Somebody's trying to be deceptive. Somebody's lying, stealing, cheating, deceiving, deception. Maybe wearing on you. You may be feeling the energy from them. And the Six of Wands. Yeah. See, you're feeling their energy, but you're over here succeeding. You're over here winning. They're over here trying to figure out where the heck Cancer went. Because they can't find your energy. That's because they can't go where you're at. They can't go where you're going. This is your opportunity to be seen in a very, very positive light. I can't even speak today. And death. Your things transform. Things literally took you to the light, to your happiness, to your peace, to your comfort. You feel very grateful for every opportunity that you have. It's to the point to where you actually feel grateful for your struggles, because it's showing you just how far you've come. There is something about the struggle that's showing you how far you've come. Maybe it's that it feels like that your struggles are smaller than they were last year. They're different than they were. They are, even though they're a struggle, there's a level of peacefulness to it. And they want, really, who you're communicating with, who you're talking to, who's contacting you, who's reaching out to change the connection between the two of you. They know that you have walked away from whatever lying, stealing, cheating, deceit, and deception this was. They know that you have leveled up, advanced away, that you are literally changing your outlook. And it's happening very quickly. This may be spirit, God, angels, ancestors, archangels, God, Jesus, communicating with you. Let's go on and see. Oh, we have a flipper. The Chariot. Now considering that's your card. With all this rapid communication, all this rapid understanding, it's very much with death here, like an awakening for you, like you're becoming more aware of the energies, your God talking to you, you're hearing the very comforting voice of God, Jesus, the universe, Spirit, God, angels, ancestors, and they're moving you forward very quickly. They're saying, hey, Cancer, you, my love, are in charge. This is your chariot, and you are to take it to the limit. Take it all the way on your journey. And the 10 cuts. That is beautiful. Wow. How amazing. I don't even want to clarify. I will, but I don't want to. That this is your overall happiness. There is something changing, something transforming. And it is opening up every door and window to your wish fulfillment, to your happiness, to the pleasures of life that you've always dreamed of. Let's clarify now. I'll clarify quickly, and then we'll go back and talk about it. I'm going to tell you now. Don't be telling people what you're doing. Quit it. Keep some things very private. Okay? Now, the 7 of Swords is here for the King of Swords. Yeah, Sunday. Oh, I don't like that energy. More likely, it's a fire sign. A Leo, a Sagittarius, and Aries. And they want to be the big boss man. They want to show you that you were beneath them, that you didn't measure up, that that you were never good in any shape, form, or fashion. But now they can't find you. Oh, they're looking for you, but they can't find you anything because they can't go to where you're going. They're going to have to keep struggling. They're eventually going to have to pay their karma. So why does this volunteer? Why does cancer get to start winning the world? Because that old way of being, the old way of thinking, the old way of doing things is over. It's time for a new chapter. It's time for a new cycle. It's time that cancer has a victory, that cancer has a win, that cancer finds friends, so tired, a lover that is on the same playing field as they are. People of good stature, of good heartedness. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Oh, that was a big sneeze. Alright, so why is death here? For a physical. What's changing? The biggest change? That you just truly fell in love with yourself. You just truly recognize that anytime you don't put yourself first, you're causing your own grief. You're causing your own struggles. And you're recognizing now that change or death. And now you're going to literally start looking at folks and going, really? No, I don't think so. That's not for me. But thanks for the offer. Have a good day. So why is I want here? Why do we have so much rapid communication? Who's it from? What's the concern is? Well, we get the 8 of cups in reverse. That I told you it could be spirits, spirit guide, angels, ancestors, God, Jesus. This is a conversation. And they're telling you, hey, Cancer, this is cute. The struggles you've been through. I stay by your side. I tried to protect you. But we're never going back to that way of living, that way of being, that way of thinking again. We're going to stay on the positive course towards the victory. And with that, you got to jump on that chariot. Here it is. Let's go. So why is the chariot here? The hermit. What did I say a while ago? You don't need to tell the left hand what the right hand is doing. You need to keep some things under cover. If you're applying for a scholarship, if you're applying for a job, if you're looking to start dating someone you're interested in, you don't need to be telling all kinds of people. If you're trying to buy a house, keep it hush-hush until everything, till you're moving all your belongings in. And then there's people like this King of Swords, you don't want them to know where you live. You don't want anyone on the internet to tell them your information. So why is the Ten of Cups here? For the A1. All that happiness is what you prayed for. It's what you've been manifesting. It's what you wanted. And Spirit is delivering this to you. It's here, Cancer. Take this. You are going to be so happy now. It's unbelievable happiness. So, what is the advice? Advice for my Cancerians. What do you got to say? Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Wands. Another ace comes up. Oh yeah, and it's a Jeep for you. Ready? The Hermit. And the Ace of Wands is cross-eyed, the King of Cups. So, you're going to stay emotionally grounded while not telling your business every Tom, Dick, and Harry. You're not going to be posting pictures while you're at the water park. You're going to wait a couple weeks and then post them. Because you have all these new opportunities coming towards you. There may be an influx of money, influx of time, influx of energy, and something that you love, which I believe has to do with your 10 cups over here, because that's what you love. So this is absolutely beautiful, amazing. If you like the Bible this reading, please hit subscribe, hit like, hit that notification bell, and don't hesitate to click yes to get all notifications. Remember, I love you all very much, and I will see y'all soon. Namaste.